Yo, what's good? Hey, I'm in this trade right now. I'm in US 30. I'm in with 2 lots. Feel me? Started with about 500. But yeah, this is the trade right here. So the reason me taking this trade, right? If we go to the 4 hour, we see that this candle ran the high of this previous 4 hour candle, and yeah, I was pretty much waiting for it, I'm not gonna lie. And then we had this inverse fair value gap that happened here, and then I'm just targeting these lows down here, equal lows down here. So yeah, we're currently seeing about $60. It's a real count. CoinX. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So if you want to sign up with them, it's gonna be in the description. But yeah, $500 account. So my plan is to just bring this account to about 1,000 or to like 2,000, and then buy a prop firm account, and then I'm gonna tell you guys about it later on. Yeah, we're already up $100. This thing is just melting. It's melting. Hit our target. Yeah, I'm already seeing 150. Yeah, I'm just going for 100 points. Yeah, we might hit our TP. Thing is, I ain't even set a TP. Let me do that now. All right, we got the TP in. And yeah, I mean, this is London session. Let me keep y'all updated. All right, I'm back. As you can see, we dead ass came so close to TP, and then we just rallied up. But it's alright. So like, price is basically at this order block. I might add an entry, another entry, depending on what I see in the lower time frames. But if this just tries to just, I don't know, man. Cause look, even on the 4 hour, I was just waiting for price to break this low, but we literally formed a equal low. Like, it literally was like one tick away from breaking the low. But yeah, it looks like we're at entry right now. It's kind of moving weird, I ain't gonna lie, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. All right, so we see price came back down. We actually swept the low this time, so yeah, I'm gonna be getting out. As you can see, we swept the previous 4 hour candles low. I mean, it came pretty close to my TP. It didn't hit, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. So yeah, we up at 646, up 140 for the day. I mean, if price goes, it is what it is, but I'll be back in New York session. Alright, so yeah, I'm currently in this sell. What time it is? Currently 9:45. So up about $80, $90. Reason me getting in this trade is, you see, we swept the high, and I'm targeting this buy side. Sorry how I sound, because you know, I just kind of just woke up, but yeah, we dropping nice. dropping real nice right now. It's kind of going crazy though. I'm not gonna lie, price is moving crazy, man. Price is moving crazy. But yeah, I'm still confident. When you know like where the drawn liquidity is, look at that. Oh, damn. You know where the drawn liquidity is at. Alright, we up 100. But as I said, I want to see price go below this inverse fair value gap. Let me map it out. Right here. And yeah, I just pretty much feel much more comfortable in this trade if we could close below it. And also right here, let's see what happens once price sweeps here. But as you can see how price is moving so volatile right now. There's also some news at 10 a.m. But what I'm really worried about is this 5 minute. It's what, in 3 minutes? Bro, you better close, bro. You better close like this. You better, bro. You better. Damn, bro. Just blew the account. Psych. As you can see, we about to hit our TP. That our drawn liquidity zone. We're approximately up 370. News event just dropped 10 a.m. But it's light though. It's just simple ISM. Nothing crazy. But yeah, I need to see this drawn liquidity zone get hit. Like we're that close, just hit. I'm not trying to be on no bullshit, man. I think it's when I stop recording. That's when you look. As soon as I start recording, it wants to pull his pants up. I'm gonna just stop recording. They don't want to hit TP on camera. Bro, just drop, bro. Drop. Come on, bro. Come on. Make my morning easy, bro. Please. Baking the markets is crazy. Looks like, look. As soon as I start recording, yo, as soon as I start recording, bro, this is funny. It's like it sees the camera, bro, but it really doesn't. All right, so our TP was smacked. I didn't get it on camera, but as you can see, TP smacked. We're up 642 for the day. Counts at 1,148. So right now I could buy the first account, but I'm gonna just keep it going to see if we can get 2 accounts for a total of 600K. But yeah, pretty much was targeting this liquidity down here. As you can see, we swept it, and then look at price now. Look how accurate this is. Yo, alright, so this is a recap on the 2 trades that I took. So yeah, so the first one was basically during London session. So what I seen coming into this market was we had these 2 highs over here. We had like these 2 relative equal highs around here. So basically I was waiting for a sweep. Primarily I wanted price to sweep this high also, but with it just sweeping this high, it was also sweeping the daily. As you can see over here, previous day got swept. So once previous day got swept, I basically went down into my 5 minute, and then an inverse fair value gap presented itself. So basically I mean it was a bullish fair value gap, and then once it got breached and closed under it, it became an inverse fair value gap. So basically I waited for price to close below, then I just got in. I primarily was targeting these lows over here, these relative equal lows, this draw of liquidity pool, this pool of liquidity. But price just came over and basically formed these equal lows, and once price took it out, we started seeing price retrace. So once these lows got taken out, I basically manually got out because I didn't want to go through this. As you can see, I would have went through this right here, this little bull run. All right, and for the second trade, basically this is the New York session trade. We had a run on London session highs, so we had the buy side liquidity up here. Price took it out, and then my eyes were pretty much set on this zone of liquidity right here. So you just gotta play liquidity to liquidity. It's like playing ping pong. You take out one liquidity and then you go on to the next one. That's how I pretty much attack the markets when I approach it. But like I said, we had this sweep up here, and then there was this inverse fair value gap. Not gonna lie, if you guys look at the inverse fair value gaps, bro, like that shit helps so much with the entries, because your typical entry, sometimes the market could be a little volatile and then you'll miss your entry. So with like the inverse, like it kind of helps with not missing your entries. So basically I got in around here, got in a little bit early, and then I targeted this level over here. And as you can see, price drawn over to it first. I mean, it tapped into it the first time, but then we see this big rejection. But we also had this PO3 going on, accumulation, manipulation. Got the manipulation up here, and we got distribution going. That was it, guys. So it was just 2 breakdowns for the 2 trades that I took. I mean, they were kind of quick and kind of vague, but hope you guys got some value out of it. But nonetheless, like I said, I'm just building this account up to buy 2 prop firm challenges. And if you guys can, just like it up, comment, and subscribe. Hope you got some value, and I'll be out. God bless.